is a skill that everybody needs to know how to do. This one is filled at a good amount because it should be just a little over half full. Almost every single cup you see here is too full. And some of them are not even sterile because I'm going to show you some common errors so that you know how to fix this for future. So this foil is not even over the edge. How is the content supposed to stay sterile if the foil is not covering? All similar concept here with these are all beakers, so they all have a little pour spout. It's really easy to pop a hole in your foil there, but that again is a source of contamination potentially, depending on where these are and what they're getting used for. So make sure that your foil at minimum comes over the edge like this. I prefer even more. It doesn't have to be excessive, but like that one is beautiful. It's a little too full, but it's beautiful. Same with this one. Check out how that foil is. It's on the inside. That doesn't work. And I'm sure it was just an oops, but still, these are on the shelf here like they're sterile and ready to go, and they should not get used. They should get refoiled and rerun. And actually, there's enough tubes in those two that there should be enough for a third, maybe even a fourth. So please don't fill them quite so full. Think about this. As a student is using the tubes, how many are they going to need in a lab period? It is a rare day that they would ever need that quantity of tubes. They're probably going to not even need this quantity. What's the point? Because in the you're just going to have to refill it, rerun it anyway when that student or when that lab period is done. It does not save us any time or effort to be filling them this full. So please, only half full or just a little more, because that's the practical answer. Because once that lab is done, we need to refill it and run it again anyway. So filling it to about that level. And as far as foiling, I like this one a lot. It does not have any holes. It is over the edges far enough that it's not going to accidentally bump off of here, and it's not crimped on here too tight, because steam is the thing that does the sterilizing. Steam has to get in to sterilize these, so you can't have it crimped on there too tight so that the steam can't get in. It has to be able to get in. When it is time to fill these, the bottom drawer of that big unit right there, that's where the clear 1.5 mil tubes live. Don't stick your hand inside those big bags of tubes. You can pour them out, just shake them out into these tubes, or these beakers, I should say. And also, wearing gloves is all good, because you don't want anything from your fingers to be inside any of those tubes. That will mess up their experiments. Any questions on any of this, let me know. Again, if you're foiling these and you know it's a little too close to the edge, throw the piece of foil out and make a new one. Foil is cheap. Do it right, and it will save everybody a lot of headaches down the road. Any questions? Just ask.